Hello guys, they're friends of Diaclara have sent us this case for the iPhone 17 Air. Let's unbox it and let me show you how it looks. Inside the box, we're gonna find our case, and this case comes in light blue. This is a 360 protection case, which also includes an anti-scratch screen protection. It also provides full lens of the camera coverage and also gives you the MagSafe on the back. This will actually enhance the MagSafe ability of your iPhone 17 Air. In order to put your phone inside the case, you first need to pull it apart. It is two parts, okay, that you're going to be included. This is the front part right here. This is very transparent right there. And the first thing that you're going to do is you will insert this front part into the phone. Okay, it fits very nicely and the touchscreen does not get affected. Once you actually put it onto this front part, then you will insert it onto the case. You will just simply push it in. It is perfectly installed onto the iPhone and it fits very, very good. The case, it is a 360 protection for your phone. It's going to protect in case it falls onto any of the four corners, and it will strongly protect the front and the back since it has a lip on the back to protect the camera, and it also has a lip all around the front to protect the front screen. The drop protection in this case is actually up to 10 feet and it's been tested up to 5,000 drops. This is a very resistant case. Due to the fact that this is a heavy duty case, usually these cases weigh a lot and they're very thick. Well, this is remarkably very thin and also very, very light. The case also magnifies the magnetic connection with the accessories. You can actually attach any MagSafe accessory to the phone and it will strongly connect. Okay, it will also charge your phone while actually on the case, so there's no need for you to take the phone out of the case. You will be able to use any MagSafe accessory like power banks, MagSafe wallets, and even MagSafe stands. I hope that the information about this case from our friends of Diaclara was helpful. Definitely want to thank you for watching. See you on the next video.